4 years had passed since the last time we visited our home away from home in Casas Viejas, Guatemala. Some things have changed, but a lot has stayed the same. They're still having meetings at the house we used to live in. There are still lots of salt farms. Since we are near the ocean and the sun is very strong here, they use the natural salinity of the water and evaporation to produce tons and tons of sea salt. Another thing that hasn't changed is that our brothers and sisters there are zealous for preaching the good news of the kingdom. We went into ministry with them 4 different days in different parts of the territory, from the bumpy roads to Matamoros, to the sandy streets of Los Macizos. And we even hired a boat to take us along a beautiful canal to reach the remote territory of El Giote, which can only be reached by boat. Although there are only 11 publishers in the congregation, there were 52 people in attendance at the Sunday meeting. We were reminded during our short time here just how beautiful the people of Guatemala are, both inside and out. Our main purpose of coming back to Guatemala was visiting our friends, but if you're here, you're going to end up working a little bit. The good news is you get to play too.